and thank you so much for watching. My name is Culture, and in today's video I'm going to share with you some new lenses that I got from Ttdeye. I have worked with them a number of times, and every single time I just love their lenses. They're comfortable. They have a really beautiful selection of contact lenses, from really natural to really bold. Everything that you're looking for. The prices are very low and they're always having sales. You can use my discount code to save some extra money, and you can use it more than once. Before I begin, please subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. You can click it right now just so you can save this video in your likes. And now let's get started. Okay, these first lenses I'm super excited about. These are called Euramerican Grey. I love when gray lenses look gray and not blue, and these are perfect. One tip I have for these lenses is you want to make sure you soak them in contact solution, not in the solution they're already in, but put them in brand new contact solution and let them soak for anywhere from as little to an hour to 24 hours. And that's going to change how comfortable they are. Once you soak them, they're super comfortable, and you can wear them for around 6 hours. Okay, on to the next pair. All right, these next lenses are called Lemon Gray. They have a really faint, super light brown shade right around the pupil, which is really pretty, but you can see they are a lot lighter than the previous contacts that I had on. These two, because just like the other ones, they aren't light blue on my eyes, even though they're gray. Sometimes light gray contact lenses can really make my eyes look blue or kind of turquoise because of my brown eyes, but these ones still are quite gray on my eyes, which I love. Okay, now on to the third pair of lenses. All right, these next lenses are called Ocean Cyan Gray. These are so pretty. I don't know how they do it, but they just look so natural looking. And even though they're gray, they have like a slight tint of, I guess, the cyan color. It's a very subtle change, which I love. So out of all the 4 lenses, 3 of them are gray shades. So let me know down in the comments which of the 3 gray shades you like. The next lenses are brown. So if you like brown contacts, just wait and see. These last lenses are called Iris Gold Brown. And I have to say that these are gorgeous. I mean, they don't make me look like I have vampire eyes from Twilight. These lenses are like so perfect. They're just light enough of a brown color to make it look lighter than my natural eye color, but not too bright or too artificial. Normally I wouldn't wear brown contact lenses because they look quite artificial, or like during the day they just look a little bit like stark. Even though my eyes are brown, It's so weird, but these lenses, I could definitely wear them during the day and feel totally comfortable. Like people just assuming that these are my natural eye color, which they're not, but it's okay. Those are the 4 lenses that I have, and I'm probably confident in saying that these are the best 4 lenses that I've ever had in one try-on, because they're all so beautiful. They look very like natural in a sense where the contact lenses themselves have a very subtle coloring, their design on them. They don't have any lines or streaks or dots or anything to make it look very artificial, so that you could wear these during the day. Obviously you can wear them at night because they'll look beautiful, but like during the day, because there's going to be sunshine and people, you know, really seeing your face and your eye color, you can get away with these lenses, and people who don't know you personally will assume that your eyes are naturally this color. I don't know which one is your favorite. I'm kind of liking these ones. Let me know which one of these contact lenses are your favorite. If you want to watch more of my Ttdeye contact lenses reviews, then just find the link below where you can find my contact lens playlist, and you can see all the lenses that I've tried on. Again, you can find my discount code also down below. I'll leave the link, and I'll also leave the links to all of these lenses for you in case you want these ones specifically. And again, you can use my code over and over again. Also, Ttdeye has added eyelashes to their website. That is so exciting because if you know my channel, I love anything that has to do with lashes. So I picked these 2 right here. They are by Lash Theater. One is natural and one is dramatic. They also have eyelash sets where you can buy 3 in a pack. I'm not sure if they have more, but I do remember them having 3 in a pack. I ended up getting these ones because I love, love, love wispy eyelashes. So I put on both lashes. This one here is dramatic and this one here is natural. I'll come in close so you can see what they both look like. They look very similar, and it's funny because even though this one is dramatic, this one is natural and it's a little bit longer. So I feel like maybe dramatic should be the longer one, but it is a little bit more feathery on the end, so maybe that's more natural to them. So here is what dramatic looks like. See how it's a little tapered at the end here? It's super duper wispy. So this lash is on this eye. The lash band is a little bit on the thicker side, not super thick where it's hard to work with, but I like it because it creates kind of like an eyeliner look already instead of having to go in heavy with eyeliner, which I already did put eyeliner anyways, but I don't mind a thicker band. You might like a thinner band, so you want to look for lashes on their website, but I don't mind the thicker band because like I said, it makes it look like you already have eyeliner down. So on this eye is the natural lash, and you can see here it is super feathery on the ends, and I just love that mink look. It's so, so pretty. So you can see here on this eye, even though they're longer than the other lashes, they're not super long where it's uncomfortable, or you know, maybe you feel like you can only wear it at night. You can definitely get away with wearing these lashes every single day if you are a lash wearer during the day through to the evening and still feel like super glam but not overdone. So I am so excited that they have lashes on their website. Now I have to decide which one I'm going to have to wear for the rest of the day, because I'm not going to wear 2 lashes, you know, 2 different lashes for the rest of the day. But let me know which one you guys love between these ones, the natural one or the dramatic one. When I'm not here on YouTube, I'm also on Instagram. You can also find me on TikTok. TikTok? No. TikTok. You can find me on TikTok, and also you can follow Ttdeye on Instagram. They have so many beautiful people wearing their contact lenses. If somebody has features that are more similar to you, so you can see how these lenses will look on you. Thank you guys again for watching, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.